So let's talk into the order of occurrences on a set or on a shoot. As a videographer, you're going to tend to look at the scene, come in, figure things out, set things up, and get shooting. It's much more quickly if you're shooting by yourself in a small interview setting like this. A cameraman can come in, set up the lights, set up going, let's get going, and sometimes they may have to actually deal with sound as well by setting up a mic. A cinematographer has to come in, already have an idea of the crew that they have, already have an idea of what shots they're going to be taking, already prepped the camera the day or two before if you're just walking in, and then already have talked to the director and the assistant director and the producer about how you're going to shoot that scene for that day. So as they walk on the set, all those things are pre-planned. You're going to tell the assistant camera and your gaffer, those are your two go-to people, what the plan of the day is, let them go off, do their thing. They'll start to get prepped. You'll then walk in with a director and a producer. You'll block out the scene with the actors. If it involves actors, they'll do a little rehearsal. They'll step aside. You'll have the set, and in which case you can bring in the camera, you can start bringing in the lights, you can work with your gaffer to light the scene, and when you're done doing that, they'll come in for a rehearsal, they'll do a rehearsal, and then you'll step back, and then we'll do a shot, which means the assistant director will come and say, "Are you ready?" You'll say, "Yes, I'm ready." Bring in the actors. They'll say, "Roll camera, roll sound." You'll roll camera, you'll roll sound, you'll make movie magic. Everything will start happening. It's just a more giant machine where you have to collaborate with everyone. So that's kind of the order of things that happens on set. When you're done with that scene after multiple takes, move on to the next one.